going on, everybody? Julian here, J Lewis Trading. This is the Friday recap, and we're going to start off with HUSN. We were tracking this pre-market. I was talking to everybody in chat this morning about this trade, about some key levels in the 298 zone that were looking like they were going to pop, and it was something that we were tracking. Very, very, very low float. I think of just 3 or 4 million shares. That's what was showing up in terms of the overall float, and the overall volume pre-market I think was double that. So there was a clear indication of potential cash market demand. The way that we tracked this was the opening range trade opened up right through here, and then price action just cut through and started to move very, very quick. It was just a scalp. There was clearly no momentum here. You can see that there was sort of a supply issue up through here, pushing price action lower. As soon as this candle got taken out, I knew that this thing was in trouble. As soon as it bear flagged underneath VWAP and then took out the retest zone, I knew this thing was screwed. And you can see this retested to the downside. Market's still open. Having said that, this was the scalp of the day right through here on HUSN. And again, I walked my team through this pre-market, cash market, where I was getting in, where I was getting out, and I tracked the entire thing. Everything is posted in chat. HUSN was nice. BORR, this was actually a trade that just finished up recently. Relatively same pattern. Now this thing opening range traded, I was not in there. Double top, pulled back, put in a new high, pulled back. I actually just stumbled upon this because I was curious what the market was doing. I saw that this thing was setting up. There was a little squeeze right through here. And again, this was a very, very simple scalp. I got long at $4 and I had my stop, I think, at about $3.95. Like there was very, very tight risk on this. And then the reward side was I just sort of quadrupled up what my risk was. I was using that as a scalp. I got out of this thing at 4 to 13 and that was the day. So I had 2 scalps. There was nothing really momentum based. On HUSN, there was some news. There was a technical catalyst. There was a news catalyst. There was a demand catalyst. Everything was there, but it couldn't hold any type of momentum. So we scalped it. I got out. I found this later on in the day, BORR. Again, little scalp. Not a lot of momentum here. It's kind of just chopped around in these sort of consolidative states, but there was this breakout of this ascending triangle. So I thought, what the fuck? I'm going to take a shot at it, see what happens. And that's the day. 2 scalps, very, very simple trading, high probability patterns, trading on things that are moving for various reasons, not looking around it a lot, just tracking movement. And movement for me and a setup for me is, can this level break? Can we get up to a new level? And that's all I was doing today. So that's BORR and the recap on HUSN. Both of these stocks I walked my entire team through in chat, showed everything that I was looking at pre-breakout, during the breakout, post-breakout, bing, bang, boom. That's Friday. I hope this helps. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Julian at JLewsTrading.com.